We want to welcome the Lynn community to our wonderful 9th year doing the Family Fun Day. This is an event that is put together by Family and Children's Services of Greater Lynn to invite the community to come in and learn and have fun in this beautiful day in September. We provide lots of opportunities for families and children to learn about what programs and services are available to them in the Lynn community. We have wonderful opportunities to talk to organizations and for the kids to have fun and do arts and crafts projects. If you look around, everyone who has a blue shirt is a member of Eastern Bank who is donating their time to participate in our event and is helping us educate our children in the community, provide them with information. Everybody brings supplies and backpacks that we distribute to all the children coming so that they will be better prepared to go to school and more informed about services available to them in the community.